Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today in the Crazy Baker kitchen I'm going to be doing a Bakewell filling, and this is for your standard Bakewell tarts. There is also the other version which is called a Bakewell pudding, but I've not done that one yet. I have got the recipe and I will share it with you, even though it is a secret. Please subscribe and please share, and don't forget your recipe is below the video in the description. And also you'll find other things down there that may interest you. Anyway, we'll get right on with the video. And for your recipe, you want 185 grams of butter, 185 grams of caster sugar, 185 grams of ground almonds, and 185 grams of whipped up eggs, and also 20 grams of gluten-free flour. And also you'd probably need a small amount of almond essence. But when we get round to the almond essence, we only want to use a little bit of it. We don't want to turn it into artificialness. And for this recipe, we need a machine. You can do it by hand, but I would suggest you using a machine, which is much better. Also, you do need a beater or one of these creamers. Right, first we'll get our butter into the machine bowl. This is softened. And also your caster sugar. Just fix our beater on. And we'll start this on first speed. I just love these Kenwood mixers. They just shake and rattle and roll. Right, we're now knocking it up onto second speed. We're mixing these two ingredients up so they're nice and light. And usually when they're light, they're white. Not too white because it's obviously butter, but you get me drift. Right, it's starting to look light, so we'll now start adding in our egg. A little bit at a time. You add a little bit and then you let it clear. Whilst this is going round, you want a teaspoonful of almond essence. This is a commercial essence, so it's quite strong. The domestic ones aren't as strong as this. Right, this is ready now, so we'll now pop in our almonds. And our gluten-free flour. Now once again, we just want to fold this in to start with. And now we'll pop this onto first speed. And all we're doing is let the ingredients all blend together. And that's it. You don't need to be too long with that. and just give it a scrape round just to make sure everything is off the bottom. And turn it all in. And that's it. It's as simple as that. And all we need now is a bowl. I'll just tell you a little bit about this Bakewell filling I've made here. This in the bakery industry is classified as your high class Bakewell filling. There isn't a higher class than this particular one. This was from my 1947 book, but I've actually been using this for years. And weirdly enough, I didn't know it until I actually looked in the book and found the recipe and said, well, I've been using that for years. So this is one of those ones. Anything less than this is a lower grade. So you'll find that cheaper in the supermarkets because that's where it all ends up. So if they're making these in a factory, they don't use this recipe. So it starts up here and then it grades down. So you'll pay more for that product. And as you go down towards the supermarket, you know, they fill it up with different stuff like cake crumb and what else do they put in it? A lot more almond essence to give it that almondy flavor. I mean, you know where I'm coming from. They come in boxes of 6 and they're sold all over the world. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and please share, and don't forget your recipes below the video in the description. And we'll see you again very shortly in the Crazy Baker Kitchen. Laters!